Okay guys, so we have another training video on how to fix this kind of building. It has multiple structures. So yeah, let's try to, let's multiple levels, I mean. So first, draw our top layer. So this will be, this layer will be obviously ex a sloping, a slope. So we are going to drag again this panel later. So first, we need to draw our top panel. So guys, when labeling, always start from your highest ridge or highest level, and then draw like so. Okay. Next is for this panel. So for this panel, guys, so since this will be one panel with this one, so what we do is we just drag this roof panel. So when you can't drag, when you are having a hard time trying to drag the panel, I suggest you turn off the base first. So click and then just press J so that our focus will be this one. And then try to adjust, and let's cut this area out. Press J again, and let's do the base. Okay. I suggest guys for this part here. Okay, so let's check other views first. Okay, isn't this the opposite one? Okay, so yeah, I think we did a pretty good job. So let's draw the base. So S tool, like so. Okay, when drawing this kind of one, I suggest we use our assist line. Okay, so we have a guide to where to stop. So like so, it will automatically just snap with the main building. Like so, and we draw another one here. So again, this will just serve as a guide. Okay, like so, and this one also. So let's do our base first. Okay. Next is remove this one. Okay. And we try to capture. Oh, okay. So, sorry, auto close. So our assist lines disappeared. So it's fine. Let's just make a new one. Okay, this one. Pointing downwards. Also, okay, so at least when using AutoFix, the system won't have a hard time fixing our task. Okay, So let's put yeah. Mm. So let's remove and try to use. I'll just and try to capture the panels. Okay. So we will just use again. So we can just use the uh, auto fix later when fixing. Okay, so we are having a hard time with this one. Use what work. Okay, so when you have trouble snapping your panels, you can use the end tool. So let's anchor this one. O, Y, and then space. And let's try to use autofix function. Forgot to close this one. And again, we forgot to fix the wall. Okay, let's try to fix the wall. Select group first, press J, and then select this wall and press 6. Okay, so that's 4 and then use F4. So hopefully it will fix all purple panels. So one more, we can just use auto manual fix here. Select and then press Shift Y. Hopefully it will fix the area. Okay, so it won't again. Okay, so yeah. So next is this area here. See, we can just use H to connect like so. And yeah, we got uh we got the layer properly. We captured the layer properly. So this one last, let's try. Use Alt to adjust. And this one, this should be an extension. Okay, so but we need to check other views first if we captured it properly. We need an opposite view. So this one. So we need to do a minor adjustment here. Hold out. So when using Alt, you need to needs a bit of patience. Yeah. And lastly, this extension. Oh, we also need to capture what do you call it? A chimney. So for our extensions, okay, and second independent. So we will use the um, what do you call this? Assist line method. Okay. So check other views. So this is the most efficient way when you want to capture all those what do you call this? Secondary extensions. This one. So press 9 like so. And then make sure when doing your bottom extension or bottom roof, you do not snap with any part of the building. Okay? So I can see pillars. So this will become independent, secondary independent. And it should look like so. Lastly, this chimney. So when drawing chimneys, guys, please draw it outside of the main building first. So we can just adjust it later on, like so. You just need to be careful when dragging. So you might select the entire building. So let's proceed to matching. J, oh, sorry. And group for J again. We copy this copy this layer or wall height. Group again. Uh, J 6. And let's try to use autofix function. And basically, we're done. All we need to do is to just add the final touches, the wall, and let's see the final result. Alt R, and it should look like so. This one, yeah. Hi guys. So hope you can learn. You can learn from this video, and thank you for watching.